So today, you'll learn how to use the focus lock feature when taking videos on your OnePlus 13. So the focus lock, all it does is focuses on that specific item when you're taking a video, and when you lock it, it just sticks to that specific spot, and then as you take your video, even if you move your phone around, that lock will still be there, and that will still be the main focus of whatever you're recording. So in order for you to enable it, you need to start by navigating to your camera settings. So launch the camera app, then tap on the menu icon and select settings. Under settings, you want to scroll until you find focus lock underneath your video settings, and then you just want to tap on the toggle to enable it. Once it's enabled, you then want to switch to video mode. Then from here, you want to start by tapping on whatever it is you want to focus on. So if I want to focus on this specific area here, I'll just tap on it and you should see this square appearing. Once that square appears, you should see this lock icon on the right side of your screen. So you want to tap on it, and then your focus lock is now enabled. So you'll notice now whenever I move, that part is still the main focus of my video. So I can just start recording, and you can see that it's just locking onto that specific spot. Even if I move the phone further away, it's still locking to that spot. And then when you're ready, you can just tap on stop recording, and the video will stop recording. Bear in mind that this is more useful if you're locking on a specific subject and not just an empty space. So for example, if I'm locking on this charger here, I can just lock like that, and then I can move around. You can see the square is refusing to leave or go very far from the focus of my video. So I can just start recording, knowing that that specific spot has been locked on. So that's where the concentration is going to be. You can adjust it by choosing to increase the brightness or decreasing it. It's completely up to you as you record. And then when you're ready, you can just stop recording. Then from here, you can play a video, and you'll notice that the complete focus has always been on that specific item. If you want to turn it off so you no longer need to use it, or you found that you don't enjoy using it, then just navigate back to your camera settings, look for focus lock, and just tap on the toggle to turn it off. And so that's how you can use that specific feature on the camera of your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.